Hey friends, hey, welcome back. Today I'm unboxing my bag. So I bought this for myself for Christmas. It was here before Christmas, but I didn't even get down to like opening it on Christmas Day because I was so busy Christmas Eve and Christmas Day putting together toys for the kids. I had no time for myself. I didn't even get dressed on Christmas Day. So now I'm opening my Christmas gift to myself. And honestly, I didn't really want anything for Christmas, but I have loved Coach this year. So I was like, let me go to the Coach website and see if there's something there for me.
This.
That's cool. Can I
Hey guys, check out this.
All right, go play with your slime. Remember, don't bring it to the carpet. Just keep it on your craft table. So we're gonna open it today. Yeah, you got glow stick. It's a glow stick whistle. Blow it. So I've been loving Coach. My mom actually loves Coach, and there was a time where every year, like for her birthday and for Christmas, I already knew I was getting her another Coach trinket, something Coach with some trinkets, right? So I've been loving small purses ever since having my son. I have gravitated toward more small purses, even though I still have big bags, but small purses are just my jam because my hands be tied up, and I love a small crossbody where I can be hands-free and I don't have too much weight on my shoulders because of course I'm holding the little ones. So let's open this up. I am really excited for this, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, it is so cute. Okay, so when I told my mom about my cute little purse, her first thing is, can your phone even fit in there? No, your phone can't fit in there. I never put my phone in my purse anyway. It's usually in like my back pocket if it's even on me. Half the time I leave my phone in the car or something. It is adorable and the quality is superb, even though I am seeing a little bit of glue on the material right here, but I'm not gonna nitpick it at all. But the quality is just stunning. Here, I'm gonna cut the little price tag off because it's now we can look at the bag in all of its glory. Yeah, these are super cute. And literally it's just big enough to carry like your cards, lip gloss, keys, a whistle, and some pepper spray. It's a crossbody too, so here's the little strap. I'm also gonna just go ahead and put my stuff in here just so we can see what fit. I feel like automatically looking at it, my Tesla key won't fit, but you know, that's no biggie. I won't have her for too much longer. I think I'm gonna sell my Tesla, you guys. Well, I don't think I am gonna sell my Tesla. It's not the car for me. It's not the car for me. I don't love her. Let me go ahead and put the strap on, because I mean, I'm not gonna, sometimes I see people online with these tiny bags and like when they're doing like their little outfits of the night, and they actually hold the tiny bags like this. Like I just can't. I feel like I would set it down and lose it somewhere. It's equivalent to just like holding a wallet. I would lose it if I'm just holding it. A little loops where you connect the straps for the crossbody. Okay, this tag just says the shell of this Coach piece contains a blend of organic cotton and recycled polyester, crafted to last in our signature textile C logo jacquard. It reflects our commitment to rethinking and reducing our impact on the planet. Wear it, love it, pass it on. That's another reason why I really like these small bags, because I can see myself like passing it along to my daughter. By the way, for her birthday, I got her a little Coach purse. It's really like a coin purse, but the size is just so perfect for her. Typically like to have my bags, my crossbody bags, like about right here. I can see myself changing this strap to one of their wider straps. Okay, so this is what I had on today. But yeah, this is like super chill. This is always like the vibe that I'm going for. I'm always going for like an effortless, chill look. And like this bag would have went perfect with it. I wish I would have opened it sooner. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what fits inside. But before we do that, I want to show you guys the Coach that I'm currently using. Oh my goodness. This is definitely my favorite bag. I wear it out. She gets a lot of wear. So I have my Tesla key, my AirPods, my pepper spray is usually hanging right here, but it's just in my car right now. Sometimes I take my pepper spray off because when I go into certain like establishments, like one of those like kid play things, I don't want people to be like looking at my pepper spray. I don't know, I don't want people to look at me sideways. So sometimes I just take my pepper spray off, but usually my pepper spray is here. Hands down, this has been my favorite bag. I don't regret the color. You guys know me. Before this year, I was keeping things very vanilla. Blacks, whites, creams, browns, but I really just crave color and more fun things, and that's just been my jam lately. So I'm gonna, well, look what fits in here. I don't carry too much. Like I have some tissue, classic what's in my bag, right? And then I have this and some receipts. So what is this? I have my cards, and this is also a little Coach card case. So it's front and back, gift cards on one side, my ID and some other cards on the other side. And then this, I just have like my keys to my houses and mailboxes. So this is just my key thing. So will it fit here? I'm pretty sure it will. Dee-dee-dee. Card case, will it fit? Huh. I don't think she fits. It doesn't fit. Whoa, this doesn't fit. So I'm gonna even have to take my ID. So I'll just have to carry my ID, my Apple card, my bank card. I'll leave my gift cards here. I see your slime, babe. Okay, so I have my Apple card, my ID, and my bank card right here. So those fit perfectly, as you can see. I'm so surprised this doesn't fit because I was sure that this was gonna be able to get in there. And now I'm like, will this even fit? No. Wow. This doesn't even fit. I don't necessarily have to carry my keys around. I just like to keep this in like my car. So maybe I'll just have it in like a little baggie locked up in my glove compartment or something. Okay, will my AirPods fit? Yes, they do. Without feeling bulky, yes, the AirPods fit. Tesla key, will the Tesla key fit? I feel like it won't. Oh, my Tesla key won't fit. Maybe if I didn't have it in here, because the Tesla key is actually the size of my debit cards, but I have it in this little protective sleeve, so no, it doesn't fit. Yeah, just hang it on the bag. It's not cute. It kind of cramps the style, but whatever. Honestly, I'm not the type of person that minds like having trinkets hanging from my bag, but yeah, it's not cute because the hardware doesn't match. So I'm just gonna take that off. What else will fit? Let me go get my lip gloss and see if my lip gloss will fit. If not, I don't know what to tell you. I am currently wearing this on my lips. Beauty Bakery. The color is called Truffle Maker. Will this fit? Yes, it will. Being realistic, I usually have a whole lip party going on, and it's never usually just one lip color that I have on. Sometimes it's a lip color mixed with another one. Sometimes it's a lip color with a gloss. So will the gloss fit too? Cutting it close. Look, I'm gonna have to take the AirPod case out. Cause push come to shove, the AirPod case is just gonna hang on the bag. But okay, so the 2 glosses will fit. I typically would just have my AirPod case hanging on my bag, cause I do like when trinkets are. I like a good trinket party. Okay, yeah, it's cute. It's such a cute bag. I don't regret it or anything. I'm just shocked that it's smaller than what I thought. I'm just going to hang my AirPods, and now we're gonna just zip it. Yeah, I don't even think the lip glosses are a good idea. So we have a lip gloss that I struggled to get out. That's a chunky lip gloss though. We have a liquid lipstick, and we have my IDs and bank cards. And yeah, that's all you getting in here. My little Louis Vuitton key pouch didn't even fit. And this little Coach card case did not fit. And my little Tesla key did not fit. Here, let me try it on, because realistically, my Tesla key, I always hang it from my purse just for the convenience. I never put it away, so realistically, she don't have to hang on here. So let's see how it looks. This is how I usually am, because I always have my AirPods, always have my Tesla key. I don't think I will have anything hanging for the time being. Look, I gotta get dressed and like give it a scenario. Like if I'm out and about, my hands are usually always tied. Like holding my kids' hands. I have 2 of them. Or pushing a stroller, holding a hand. So like realistically, this is gonna, yeah, it's gonna work. It's gonna work for me. It's gonna work for me. The final look. Glad I got it. Oh, also didn't show you guys with it just on my shoulder. So here it is on my shoulder. I feel like someone could just like run up and just snatch this right off though. So I would never carry it on my shoulder. It would always be crossbody. Always crossbody. And then this is how I see the girlies on IG without the crossbody strap. Not with this purse necessarily, but like with any tiny purse, like I see them like this with their like their tiny purses, and I'd be like, girl, don't leave that purse sitting down. When you taking pictures of your little drink and your little nails and stuff, don't leave that purse sitting down, because somebody could scoop it up. Like maybe I'm just like a super cautious person, but like yeah, I wouldn't dare just like be out and about with this without it being crossbody. People are crazy and desperate, and they will take anything. So these are my 2 favorite Coach bags that I've been carrying lately. Or not carrying, but you know, this is the new one, and this is the one that I have been carrying, which I'm still tempted to get another color in this one. I really like the, I don't know if they call it lilac or lavender or a different name. I don't know, but I really like that purple one. And then the black one is still super gorgeous. So this still by far is my favorite like newer Coach style. So yeah, but this is the one I'm gonna be carrying for the time being. She's super cute. She's super cute. I'm glad I got it for Christmas. Also though, Coach just seems to like know what they're doing in the style department. Like they know how to keep it classy but still fun, not too out there, and I like that. Coach has been, I've really gravitated toward Coach. Even their accessories, like I think I'm gonna like order some of their earrings, because their Huggies are just adorable. So I think I'm gonna do that. But yeah, this is my little bag. I just wanted to show you guys, and I'm gonna leave a link to it down below for you guys to easily and conveniently shop. This is under $200, right? Under $200, and she's a stunner. She's absolutely gorgeous, and I advise women to downsize with their bags. Like, it's not that serious to be carrying a big old bag, and I feel like it kind of takes us, helps us not become a target for like bag thieves, because they still out there. And with this upcoming recession, People are getting really desperate, and we just need to be able to protect ourselves. I mean, you're not fitting much protection in here. My pepper spray is not even gonna fit, but I got it near and dear. Get down in the comments, let me know what you think about this bag. Do you already have it? Do you have Coach? Do you love Coach? What are some of your favorite Coach bags? Let's talk. Until next time, I wish you nothing but peace and love. Bye.